Right guys, what I'm going to be showing you today is a trading signal that will literally change your trading journey. Not only does this work with crypto, but it also works with forex pairs as well. Now today I'm going to be showing you exactly how to use it on Tradingview and show you how you can get the lifetime option, which means that you get everything that is involved in this video for life for one set fee. Now we all know that 99% of traders lose in the markets and only the 1% get through. Now with this strategy and this indicator, you are going to be becoming one of those 1% as long as you put your mind to it. Now before I jump in, I'm not a financial advisor. I do this for educational purposes only. Right, here we have it guys. We are on the Tradingview chart. Number one to do, make sure you always do this. I always recommend it because it works a lot better on these candles, is come up to this arrow, scroll down and click on Nashi candles. Okay, so you probably see that change from my original ones to these ones. Okay, so first things first, we have the signaler installed. Okay, this is it here. It's activated, it's on the chart, and you can see there was a long position back on the 26th of February. This is the daily chart on GU. That's Great British Pound versus the US dollar. Now because it's a long, they are informing us to take a buy. So with a buy, you want to do it on the close of that candle and then stop loss down on that blue line. Because it's a buy, it's a blue, so below. And then personally, I always go for a 1 to 2. So this would have tapped me out a few days ago for a profit, a nice healthy profit of $2,000. That's if I were to risk $1,000, I'll get a $2,000 reward. Now, also they had a short signal a few weeks ago as well. Now, because it's a short, you want to do it on the close of that candle, stop loss above on the red line. And then, like I said, I always go for 1 to 2. So again, that would have taken maybe 1-2 weeks, and then bang, profit was there. Out of 20 trades, you would win 18. Now, if you've got the risk management like I use, 1 to 2, you can do the maths yourself. You would only lose $2,000 and you would make $36,000. So honestly, this is something that you don't need to sleep on. It's nice and simple. You can get it. You can use it on Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, GU. You can use it on so many. But check this channel out. I've done quite a few videos explaining how to use this. But let me just show you how you can get it. Okay, another thing that they offer as well is the Signaler VIP group. Okay, you can see on the left there, multiple different wins, 674.43%. This was sent out on 27th of April at 8:01. When was the trade taken? The trade was sent out as a signal on the 20th of April. So only a week later, and they're making 675% profit. Now, if you're interested in both of these, what you want to do is click on that link in the description, the Signaler bot. Now, once you're in the Signaler bot, it will come up like this. You'll have multiple different options. You could either go for the indicator itself or go for the VIP signal or do it all in one. Personally, I'd say do it all in one because you get any updates, you get any major changes, you're guaranteed you're stuck in there for life then. $597. Now, how do we do this? We scroll down and click on Lifetime Bundle All Access 597. Now, once it's done that, you say click to pay by crypto. Click start, and then it will give you multiple different options of which cryptocurrency you want to use. Okay, so for example, if you want to use TON, click on TON and then click pay now. Now, once you've clicked pay now, it will generate a code for you. So you coin TON, and then it says send only TON via the open network. This is their contract address, and send 187.7312 TON to the address above. Now, once you've done that, you will get complete access to everything that you've purchased. If it's the lifetime bundle like you've just seen there, you will get the signalers group and also that Tradingview indicator forever. But there we have it, guys. That is the Tradingview and also the VIP signal group. Now, let's be honest, the trades I showed you all won 18 out of 20 win. And this honestly is going to change your trading journey. So thank you very much for watching. If you like this video, hit that like button, hit the subscribe button, press that bell to be notified of my next video. But for now, peace.